First of all, I want to thank you for invitation and for brilliant conference. I like it very much, and it's not. And today I want to say some new ideas, some new results of our group. I want to start by saying that all of the authors of this speech are experienced biologists and, more important, Earth-type biologists. Therefore, we believe that the solar system, all living objects should have a cellular structure, and that life is possible only in community of living organisms. Why problem? Not change slide. Sorry. Yes, sorry. Previously, we have proposed a concept based on the fact that living thing is something that can be turned into inanimate by biocidal treatment. According, only detection of various type of cells can be reliable proof of the presence of life in the Venusian clouds. And accordingly, it is, if there are no cells in the samples, there is no life in a moment. So, to detect microbial cells in the clouds of Venus, we propose to use a specially designed highly sensitive chip that can quickly, selectively, and reliably detect the only reliable evidence of presence of life with minimal cost and weight. This instrument is paper-based microfluidic analytical device named PEDS. This kind of biosensor are well established that rival conventional cell detection methods. Among them, gravimetry in combined with spectrometry strategy is the most promising, since the results can be interpreted directly at the time of sampling. We can offer automated multi-step live assay in a PEDS format to detect Earth-type cells in the clouds of Venus. According to our idea, a sample of cloud moisture is taken and moved inside the chip due to a pressure drop. The first function section, the A zone, includes a reservoir number 2 for the sampled liquid and distribution dividing channels 3, 10, 12. This one. This for cells membrane destruction, we propose ultrasonic processing and set of different laser solution. Zone B include control treatment, untreatment sample 11 and micro chambers, cameras for cell, for cell destruction by ultrasound in various modes, and 2 types of chemical lasers. It is so possible to resist possible changes in acidity of medium after destruction of acidophilic cells. next zone is for particle size distribution. It is one of the most important elements of the chip. Particle size determination with microfluidic chip is similar to gravimetric measurements. The smaller the particle, the further it will be able to move through the gradient sieve. D zone is for spectrometry and so on measurements, which instrument we can use in Venusian clouds. We can transfer in Venusian clouds. It is possible to carry out analysis of smallest products of cell destruction, as well molecular sized, with biochromatography in zone D. And finally, E zone is only for our pumping channel. So the structure of the chip allows a simple way to achieve sealing by melting along the contour. It's very important because of this. There is an opportunity to repeat measurement and to deliver samples of Venusian clouds to the Earth. So, in conclusion, I want to say that we are preparing to test such chip and try to use them with a set of terrestrial microbiological objects of various taxonomic affiliation. It's very interesting, and we need to develop some instruments, some details of this chip, but it's necessary to continue this investigation. So here's the core of our team. You see, and thank you for interest in our research.